Open Store One dashboard and click on the Quick Social Links Configure button. This module helps customers quickly share your products on different social media platforms directly from the product page. This button helps you enable the module. From the status, you can enable or disable the rule. A rule is set of social icons. Next, choose the trigger type to decide where the social link should appear. There are various options such as on all products or selected products only. You can also exclude specific products from displaying the social links. Simply enable the Exclude Products or Pages option and search for the products you want to exclude. Now, let's move to the Quick Social List section. Here, you can add and manage different social media platforms. Under Choose Platform, select the platform you want to use. Using the icon type option, you can choose between default icon, image, or custom SVG. The label option allows you to add custom text for the social button if needed. Next, select the button mode. You can either allow users to share the product directly or redirect them to your social media profile. In the URL field, simply add your custom social media or sharing URL. At the bottom, the Live Preview section helps you instantly check how the social button will appear to customers. You can also copy the shortcode and paste it anywhere on your website to display the social icons in that specific location. You can quickly add more social icons by using the duplicate button or by clicking on Add List Item. After adding a new item, simply update the platform, icon style, label, mode, and URL according to your requirement. This makes it easy to create multiple social sharing options without configuring everything from scratch again. You can also rearrange or customize each social icon individually to match your store design and sharing needs. On the right side, you can also preview different button positions. You can see live changes right here. From the Design section, you can customize the appearance of the social media icons. This option allows you to control the maximum number of social icons displayed on the product page. If you disable the default color option, you can manually customize the icon colors according to your design preference. Separate color settings are also available for the hover effect. As you scroll down, you'll find additional customization options to further style the social icons. This configuration applies to a single rule only. If you want to create another rule for a different trigger type, simply click on the Add New Rule button. You can also duplicate the existing rule and modify it as needed. Once all the settings are configured, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Here is the final result on the product page. The social icons are displayed on the left side for quick and easy access. When customers click on the plus icon, the remaining social media platforms expand in a clean pop-up layout for additional sharing options. Thank you for watching this documentation walkthrough.